break your gears. Okay, we're good. Forgot to spin the pedals last time, so the gears would change. Not go through, but change. We're gonna go to the woods very quickly before my dinner becomes dinner. Fuck, it's cold. Jeez. Pedals are damaged. I'm too late. Green. Shame. Shame, shame. Could go to right. I just keep going the opposite way. Fuck it. Should be fine, there's no cops. Turn signals, people, turn signals. Shouldn't really complain if I'm on the wrong side as well. Is the left pedal. Yep. Something's up with the left pedal. definitely get this pedal fixed, despite the fact that this bike is my brother's. But still should get repaired. My bike or not. My brother is family. Family is important. What? How? Sorry, the red. Wasn't fast enough. Sorry, the green. I have to go down this path, despite it being shit. What? Oh, I always forget about this part. My least favorite. Yeah, baby. I swear, it's not against the law. And this pedal properly plays. Changing gear ratio, baby. Alright. I love forgetting to recharge. Well, not recharge, but replace the battery in this flashlight. Very convenient. Oh god, I sweat. It's perfect, huh? Why did I wear jeans? Thinking about getting an electric bike, but still, that wouldn't help with getting a ton of muscle up here. Well, not muscle, but leg strength, I guess. Probably shouldn't have went because my right leg is currently dying. That's supposed to be the good leg. For some reason it's harder. God, that balloon's in the ground. Right, this bridge isn't smooth. There we go. Smooth landing. Baby. Oh wait, this part is going to be harder, I think. If I remember correctly. Yep. I remember it correctly. Why is it so wet? Oh God. Don't. No, my jeans. Probably. Thank you, left pedal. I really need this. No, I don't. This is stupid. Unnecessary extra vibrations just because the left pedal isn't fully on to the bike. I don't even know why, man. Okay, let's get back to it. Woo! Look at me go, baby. Thank you, left pedal. Very cool. Oh, it's gonna be very rocky here. Not pleasant. Hope I get back home in time for lasagna for dinner. Yeah. Didn't take pre-workout since, you know, just a simple ride through the forest and back home. I do remember another path back home, so we're gonna still see some new things, sort of, when heading back home. Keep moving the pedals so the gear doesn't fall off. Thank you, left. I think the left pedal got worse. Because like last time I rode this bike, so that was like what? Last Friday. It wasn't this bad. Jesus. Come on, we just gotta go back home. This is loud. A pain in the ass for me and everyone else. Very unfair. Oh, I just spun it around a little and it stopped doing that. Wow, who knew that would work? Just spin it around a little on its own and it stops. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Very cool. Whatever skin color you are, nationality, I really don't mind. Thank you, Jesus. Probably hurry up. actually need help. Like minimum half an hour, maximum like what, 40? Someone calling? No. How long has it been? Oh, 20 minutes. Oh, we should be fine. I did leave before the lasagna was put in the oven. The lasagna takes half an hour. The oven should take at least, what, 10 minutes? So that's like almost a full school hour. So we should be fine. Probably, maybe, yeah. Should be. Almost 20 minutes, let's say half a minute was, no wait, 1 minute, more realistic. 1 minute to 2 minutes was me just doing nothing, so let's not count that. So what, 20 minutes? I got at least 10 minutes left to get back home. I can hear the pedal whining again. Definitely better than before. Less vibrations. Can barely feel it. Can hear it more than feel it actually. Come on. Where is my energy, man? You're supposed to be healthy. Nah, bro. My body type is not suited for cycling, you know, especially since I'm bulking, but still gotta lose calories somehow. I can't go to the gym. My parents won't allow it. I lost momentum, but I will get it back shortly. Pedal, come on. Up. It's actually really smooth, except my ass does not like this seat. Not one bit. Then I remembered I have to step back. I should have wore the thing you put under your helmet, because I feel my ears being angry. My ears are not happy. Okay, can I still ride without hands? Yes, I can. Cover my ears now. This is not smooth at all. Whoopa. Oh, that's definitely better, but still it's gonna hurt again. And it already is. Should scurry on home now. Scurry on? What? What just happened? Why did the car dual bang? my God. There's just a normal car here. Excuse me, you can't park here. Excuse me, you can't park here. What is this, man? Oh, not trying to get down. Just my luck. What the fuck is this party? Okay then. Oh, I know. Today is like dress up, you know, Halloween sorts of thing. Right. Oh, something's wrong with that car. That car should seriously get to a mechanic or buy some earplugs. That would work great too. Well, for a little bit. Why is it always not the right way? This is the right side, man. Lady, watch where you're going. Call the police. I'm calling. Oh. Fun. There.
Whatever else inside of me.
Oh, come on. I don't want to be late for dinner. See that? Okay. I guess I'm blind too. Well, it's actually very calming here. Oh, my legs are cold. Okay. Oh, I didn't wear any shorts. Well, under this. So now my thighs, which are pretty important in biking at least, are cold too. What? Move to the right. There we go. Finally, some momentum. Whoa. Yes, I have been thinking of buying a new GoPro. This one's old and I think it has mic issues. At least the last time I watched the video. Well, not really watched, more like listened to see how it sounds. But you know, that's probably a long time ahead because the video should be fine. And if it isn't, I'll try my best to improve it in editing. But you know, my phone for some reason decides, no, I will freeze if you crop or trim parts of the video. Why? Probably because of Exynos, honestly. Exynos has poor GPU performance compared to Snapdragon. Also gets really hot, which was actually kind of useful during winter. hot, which kept me warm, and because it was so cold, the cold helped it cool down. So, sure, you want a Samsung Exynos, do it in winter. But do remember, battery life and image quality, I think in some cases video quality, is actually worse than Snapdragon. I'm like, what? Most of the time I keep enhanced processing on when I have my power bank, just so I can get a little more performance, despite it getting way hotter, which is probably the main issue. Also a lot of high resolution pictures, downloading a lot of high resolution pictures. Yeah, it does not like that. Heats up quick. Even when like watching YouTube, downloading high quality video, high quality pictures, it does not enjoy that. Not one bit. Oh, it's green. Let's go. Pretty epic. Green. Huh. Yeah, it's gonna be green soon, so that's good. Wow, I miss biking despite how tired I am. During winter at least. Otherwise I love it. Love it, love it. Cars, why? No, the police. I didn't do anything. I promise. Look, all I did was hit a family of 5 or 6 with a car I shouldn't have drove. For a car I shouldn't have drived. I was looking for all the words. Jeez, that just slipped out of my head. I'm driving down the road and hit a family of 5. Or was it 6? No, I think it was 5. This is fun. Humans, oh my god. 24/7 coffee. Improve your day. What day? It's night. SMH. SMH. Come on, step on the gas. Oh, it's green. At least it should be. Come on, baby. Yeah. I swear if I get pulled over by the cops because I look tired, I'm gonna lose it. Because that will be the biggest piece of garbage ever. Because come on, man, I'm just trying to get her back home. I'm just trying to get back home on time. Doing so well. me. Hot diggity dog. That car sounds fast. Okay, my gears didn't go through. There we go. Nice. Just in time. There goes my adrenaline. I can feel the oldness coming pretty partially. Let's put my hand away from the steering wheel. Actually, steering wheel is more perfectly timed. There used to be a pizza vending machine here. I wonder when it went. First time I ever saw one here in Slovenia, and last time. Never got to try it. Maybe it got removed because of health violations or something, or you know, not enough profit. Why is a police car here again? Or is that even a police car? I don't think it is. How should it fly? Why am I even worrying? I didn't do anything. Well, their presence at least. Oh my God, where's my energy go? Speed up, cover my ears again. So good. It really helps a lot. Oh, that feels way better. Still giving me a mild headache. Should be fine, you know. No. I wasn't fast enough. Oh, such a shame. So close too, you know? And then now it's 24/7. I keep forgetting there's like so many stores that are actually 24/7. I just, you know, it just slips my mind. I'm like, ooh, I'm hungry. Screw it, we bowl. It's a bad place. No, I should be able to be here because of the lines. Okay. Yeah, I told you. Should be fine. Oh, come on. That is just cruel, man. We can't do that to someone. Are you kidding me? Did you not really turn around? Oh, never mind. I think, yeah. There we go. We ballin'. Thanks, bicycle. What even happened? We went here, right? It just vanished. Or did the cop car go to McDonald's? God damn. The cop car didn't go to McDonald's. What the hell? No, it didn't. What a polite driver could let me pass. Very epic. Gotta give them my turn signals too. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. That should be fine. I think that's my catchphrase now. Should be fine. Usually things are fine. So, we ballin'. Well, I was on our bicyclist, but it was just it is a walker. No, not the Walking Dead walker, no! Luckily, we haven't succumbed to geeks, walkers, sick people, your mom, none of them. We're still thriving. If you ignore inflation and Twitter, or whatever else. Yeah, gas prices are part of inflation, no need to mention that. We got stuff that isn't available and inflation. In my country, I think it's pricier. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, thank you. Which one's first? There's the question. That one. Perfect. Be fast. Not allowed to drift on this bike because tires and oh yeah, and not my bike. Duh. And I don't know if the tires can handle it. Yeah, I'm not in a good enough position to just lean on this, sadly. Oh my god, he's running! He's running! Look at him, he's running! Why are you running? Bro was running for his life. My. Probably should have went in the tunnel. No. Come on, man. Come on, man. Where's my adrenaline? Unga bunga. Wait. What is a good pre-workout during a workout? I'm single. No. Well. Yeah, now I am single. Wait, yeah. February 11th. Oh. Use the heartbreak as power. Yeah, there it is. There's my power. No, wait, this is better. Here, this up here. Oh, my bad. And I'm being called right now. This is just perfect timing. Stop calling me. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Opa. Why did I take my brother's bike? Because mine was stolen. Oh, I have to go lock it. I'm not gonna bore you guys with vlogging it. I'm just gonna pretend I went home. Oh, where are our keys? Why did I keep holding my jacket? Say something! Yeah, Luigi! Oh, look at him! Hey, Luigi! Yeah, Luigi! Yeah, Luigi! Yeah, Luigi! Look how happy he is! Look at his happy puppy! Oh! Look at you! Oh! Oh! Well, he's so happy! Look at him! Such a cute doggy, huh? You look like a rat. But still, you're so cute and you're so kind. Look at you. Huh? Come on. Here's Blanky, huh? Here's your Blanky. Yes, yes, a Blanky. Just for you. Opa. Just for you. Oh, look at him. You miss me that much, huh? He really misses me. Look at that. Look at that doggy. It's all worth it. It's worth it. I get to come home and I get to see this little cute pupper. So there was biking with me. I should be a teacher since, you know why I should be a teacher? Well, I have a very good reason. Because class dismissed.